guys, I will show you how to make a data entry using the Excel formula to make your data entry more easier. So as can you see, this column has a 56,198 rows, so this is a lot. And if I will work this, if I will get back start on the very start, if you're just a normal data entry, you will go this. I go to the site and click new search. As can you see, it loads like more than 2 seconds or 5 seconds, and then you copy paste this on the strap number, then search, and then loading again. And when you finish loading, you will copy paste this and it's here. And another one. As can you see, it takes more. It's really time consuming. So this will last first. Wait. It's very frustrating for the loading, right? So we will show. So right now I will make a formula to make this strap number convert into like this, because the difference is between the dash. As can you see, the dash only. So we will make it like that. So first let's go to the function and use this one, concatenate, and use the formula left, and then after left, let's click this column B4, comma, and then the character on how many for the left, 2, right? So as you can see, there's a 02 here, so 1 2, so we need a 2 digit, so that, and it will be equal to 02, right? And the next is the text, dash equals to dash, right? So 02 and dash. So if I will click OK, it will go to this. Wait a second. Sorry, my Excel is not original, so my god, let's wait a little bit. Okay, so once you see this, we will continue the encoding for the formula. So this one and another one, this one. So in case of left, we will go to mid. So the mid, same as the formula here, and then comma, and then the digit where we start. So our target is 43, right? The 43. So let's go to the 1 2 3. So the comma 3, and then 1 2 3, and then the after the mid formula, this is a mid, and after the mid, it will go start again to count after the mid. So 1 2 3, and then you need the 2 digit for this one. So 1 2 1 2 3. This is the 4, and then count 1 2 again. 1 2 43. Let's see if I'm correct. So this is correct, right? Let's go again. Let's continue. After this, let's go dash. After this, copy paste again. What's our target again? It's 20. 20, right? So the middle is, let's change this to 3. It will go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. 5 and then 2 because we only need 2 digits for here. So 2. Enter. And then dash. Then dash. So in forward, continue. Continue. 5. Let's go. 7. And then here. Dash. And then let's go to the 0. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. So 9. Then the number. How many do you need? Do we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So 1. So we start here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 here. 5 and here. So instead of dash, you can see a period. So we click the period, right? And then we move again. Mid. You can go mid or this one. 9. 9. Actually, we can use the right. After this, we go to right because it's we only need this one, right? And then this one, and this, and this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's see if I'm correct. Let's read. Let's see if I'm correct. It's hang. Oh my god. Actually, this is for me. This is already correct, but I will show you. I will just show you if to equal this one. Sorry, with it. We just want to make sure that the number is correct or not. Let's see if I'm correct. Looks like I'm correct, right? So once you get the formula, you will just drag it down, 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 until you get it. So that's all you do until 25, and then there's the There's a shortcut on how. So you will just, can you see the small box? Just double click it, and voila, ta-da! So all are same now. So that's all. Thank you.